Ladies and gentlemen, we have received enough troubling information regarding a plane, or rather helicopter, that crashed and killed Kenyans in the Samburu area as political tensions ahead of the next year's general elections continue to rise across the country. According to the information we have received on our news desk, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on your screen, according to Kenyans.co.ke, they have published a story by saying deaths reported as helicopter crashes near Mount Ololokwe in Samburu. This is bad news in Kenya. Several people, according to the information we have currently, are feared dead after a helicopter crashed at Mount Ololokwe in Kirish, Samburu County here in Kenya on Wednesday, which is today morning, August 19th. The helicopter went down, according to what we have, in a deep and difficult to access section of the mountain. According to eyewitness at the scene, prompting an urgent rescue response. The Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, in short KCAA, confirmed the crash today, saying the incident was still under investigation as authorities worked to establish the circumstances surrounding that helicopter crash. I want to quote what one of the witnesses said this morning. One of the witnesses said, "Right there is a helicopter that has fallen. It is quite deep." He insisted by saying it is quite deep and far, but do send urgent help to that people can be rescued. This is so bad. Smoke later and fire were reported at the scene as locals and rescue teams responded to the crash, and efforts to reach the site continued, ladies and gentlemen. As you continue watching this clip, ladies and gentlemen, please, I request you, I beseech you to hit the like button. And if you are watching for the first time, I request you to consider subscribing by smashing the subscribe button that is down here. Once you are done, remember to turn on the notification bell so that the moment we upload any new video clip, you will be notified automatically that MWANAKENYA Media has uploaded a new video clip to watch. Remember to share our content always, so the WhatsApp groups are available on Facebook. That is the only way we can continue building this channel of ours, MWANAKENYA Media. Without wasting your time, back to our news updates. Ladies and gentlemen, an air traffic rescue chopper was also reported to have arrived at the scene as rescuers worked to assess the situation and assist those affected. According to a preliminary police report, 6 tourists and a pilot were on board the helicopter when it crashed this morning on Wednesday. So their identities, ladies and gentlemen, and the condition had not been officially confirmed by the time of this analysis. KCAA had not confirmed the reported fatalities as investigations and rescue efforts continued at the crash site. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, remember this is not the first aircraft to crash this year 2026. There was also a helicopter that crashed reportedly involving Member of Parliament for MWANAKENYA, the late Johanna Ngeno, and the 5 other Kenyans who lost their lives. I think we analyzed this some months ago. Also remember the aircraft carrying Vihiga County Senator Godfrey Ososi, who survived after the plane, he was traveling in, reportedly failed to land properly at an airport in Nairobi. So we need to pray for those families that have lost their relatives, because this is sad news we have received on our news desk. Actually, we are going to continue giving you updates about what happened today. But if you are watching for the first time and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing by smashing the subscribe button that is down here. Once you are done, remember to turn on the notification bell so that the moment we upload any video clip, you'll be notified automatically that MWANAKENYA Media has uploaded a new video clip to watch. Remember to share our content also at the WhatsApp groups and even on Facebook. That is the only way we can continue building this channel of ours, MWANAKENYA Media. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's meet in the next video. Bye-bye.